This is Swimming Pool Steve here with some information on the Hayward Ecostar variable speed swimming pool pump. The Ecostar model is the flagship model from Hayward in terms of variable speed technology. Some quick information on this pump is that it requires 2-inch suction line at the minimum. So if you are considering to retrofit this to an existing swimming pool system, you will want to consider that you should have a 2-inch suction line at the minimum to use this pump. You should also make sure that you have at least 1 foot of straight pipe heading into the suction side of this pump to make sure that the flow is not impeded by valves or 90-degree fittings or anything like that. This pump is capable of delivering up to 166 gallons per minute, assuming 10 feet of head on the system. Basically, that's a form of restriction to the system. So up to 166 gallons per minute. That's enough that it would exceed the maximum gallons per minute rating of most sand filters. So if you have a sand filter, you are going to want to double check that you would not be exceeding the maximum GPM for your sand filter. Cartridge filters tend to be much better for this. They have a much higher GPM on average. So that you're safer to use the Ecostar model. Some other quick information on this pump. If you have this pump and you're dealing with a service issue, you might need to pick up some items quickly. For example, you might need a lid or a new O-ring, something like that. So as a quick reference, if you needed to get the strainer cover kit, which includes the lid itself, the lock ring, and the O-ring, you need to source the part number SPX 3200 DLS. That's Sierra Papa X-Ray 3200 Delta Lima Sierra. So that's the full kit. If you just needed the O-ring, then what you're looking for is SPX 3200S. So that's Sierra Papa X-Ray 3200 Sierra. And that's just for the O-ring. The next most common item is going to be the strainer basket itself. These often can break over time. And if you're trying to source that product for your Ecostar pump, then you are looking for the product number SPX 3200M. So that is Sierra Papa X-Ray 3200 Mike. Those are the most commonly replaced items on this pump, and if you have this pump, then you can rest assured that you've made a good decision. The variable speed technology that Hayward's provided here really will provide you with a great pump in terms of energy efficiency and cost savings, as well as the versatility to be used for high volume applications like large swimming pools or swimming pools with a heavy demand on the filtration system or waterfalls and water features.